in the quest for love and friendship. It's essential not to lose sight of what makes us whole. Today, we explore the vital elements you should hold sacred in your relationships. Drawing inspiration from the teachings of Gautama Buddha, let's delve into the 15 crucial aspects you should never compromise. Ensuring your personal growth and relational harmony thrive. Number 1, prioritize happiness. Never let your quest for love cost you your joy. True happiness is the cornerstone of a lasting partnership. Number 2, uphold mental health. Your mental well-being shapes how you perceive and interact with the world and your closest ones. Protect it. Number 3, maintain self-respect. Advocate for yourself, set clear boundaries, and assert your needs. Your self-esteem depends on it. Number 4, set personal boundaries. These define your space and limits within a relationship. Never let them be compromised. Number 5, chase your dreams. Your aspirations fuel your personal and relational growth. Keep them alive. Number 6, stay independent. Even within a relationship, your autonomy is key to avoiding the pitfalls of codependency. Number 7, hold true to your values. Shared values forge trust and understanding. Sacrificing these can undermine your relationship's integrity. Number 8, protect physical well-being. A strong relationship requires both parties to be in good health. Prioritize yours. Number 9, ensure financial freedom. Financial stability allows you to build a partnership without undue stress. Number 10, value family ties. Relationships with friends and family provide essential emotional support and perspective. Number 11, never sacrifice personal growth. Continuous growth is essential to prevent stagnation in your relationships. Number 12, support each other's ambitions. A thriving relationship includes mutual support for personal goals. Number 13, embrace authenticity. Genuine connections come from being true to your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. Number 14, cultivate personality. Your unique essence should be celebrated, not suppressed. Number 15, preserve your soul. The core of your being, encompassing your deepest beliefs and values, should never be compromised. While compromise is inevitable, certain aspects of your being are paramount for a fulfilling relationship. Cherish and protect the essence of who you are, as this is the key to relationships that not only last, but are truly enriching. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and relational wisdom. Subscribe for more insights and share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, in love and life, what you hold sacred defines you.